Hello, today we will guide you through how to download and install Slack on PC or laptop. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Slack download page and make sure you are installing the correct version for your computer. Once Google is open, type Slack download into the search bar and run the search. Keep the wording simple because this usually brings up the official Slack website near the top of the results. From the search results, click the official Slack download result. It is important to choose the official site so you avoid third-party download pages. Downloading directly from Slack helps ensure you get the latest version of the app and reduces the chance of downloading anything unnecessary. When the Slack download page opens, look for the option to download the 64-bit version and click it. Most modern Windows PCs and laptops use the 64-bit version, so this is typically the correct choice. After you click, the installer file should begin downloading automatically. Next, locate the Slack installer on your computer. In most cases, you can find it in your browser's download bar, your downloads folder, or by clicking the downloaded file notification if it appears on screen. If you are not sure where it went, checking the downloads folder is usually the easiest place to start. Once you have found the installer, open it. This will launch the Slack setup process. Depending on your computer's settings, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, approve it so the installation can continue. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to install Slack. The installer will guide you through the remaining steps, and in most cases the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. During installation, it is best to keep the computer connected to the internet and avoid closing the installer window until everything is finished. When the installation completes, Slack should open automatically, or you can launch it from your desktop or Start menu. From there, you can sign into your workspace and begin using the app. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Slack on your PC or laptop. If you found this process helpful, you can follow the same approach anytime you need to reinstall the app or install it on another Windows device.